This is Doug and Cindy with Elder Law Practice 5cast, and today we're taking your questions and answering them. Thank you for submitting them. If you have questions, please send them to us and we will get to them in a future episode. Today we're going to answer just a few of them, however many we have time for in 5 minutes. So the first one, can Mama pay me for care? And I think what they're getting at here, mom's living at home with daughter, or daughter's living with mom, either way, but daughter's working, got her 40-hour job, and she's providing care for mom. Mom's helping pay. So can mom just write her a check every once in a while?
She can.
But unfortunately, let's talk about
It could have consequences.
The consequences. Now, there are many things that can happen to start with, and even some CPAs get this messed up. I mean, there's annual exclusion. You can give, I think this year it's $15,000. You can give someone $15,000 per person per year and not pay any gift tax.
Right.
But DHS don't look at it quite that way, do they? Like
No.
if mom goes to the nursing home and needs to apply for Medicaid.
Right. So if mom needs to enter the nursing home and she applies for Medicaid through the Department of Human Services, DHS, they're going to look back. They can look back 5 years to see if any transfers have been made. So what is a transfer? A check written out to the daughter. If it can't be explained properly, if it's not for something to compensate the daughter for a fair market value exchange, then it's considered a transfer. And that transfer, DHS will say, well, you made that gift, so we're going to penalize you. We won't pay for your care until that penalty is over. So you have to be careful about writing checks to your adult children.
Now again, if mom never goes to the nursing home, never applies for Medicaid, no harm, no foul. But you don't know if something like this is going to happen at the time usually. I mean, this was like a year or two ago that mom wrote checks, and she meant well. I mean, there was no sinister motive. In fact, daughter was providing care for mom. Mom did want to pay money to daughter for providing care. She paid daughter a lot less than she would have paid a commercial agency, to send someone in.
Right, because there are plenty of those out there. They charge anywhere between like $18.50 an hour to up around $25 an hour. So mom was probably paying the daughter around
say $10
an hour.
And mom had rather had daughter there in the home. Everybody was happy, and it looked like daughter was providing care, and mom's just paying daughter for providing care. Now, how would you have a lot better chance of this actually working?
So, Department of Human Services says it needs to be a fair market value exchange, and it needs to be in writing. You need to have a care contract. I know this sounds strange, but it's between family members, between mom and the daughter.
Like a written contract with your mom. What do you think? A contract with my mom? This is like an arm's length agreement, just like you would have with a company out there. You just think if a caregiving company came in,
they have contracts.
You'd have a contract, and they'd say, this is what we'll do, and this is a service we provide, and they log all their hours.
Mm-hmm.
So
they get paid for what they do. And in the care contract that you would have between mother and daughter, you need to list out the different services that she's going to provide and cover things that she will be reimbursed for. Because if she gets in her car, takes mom to the doctor in her car, then, she's going to be reimbursed for the mileage and her time, and whatever you put in the contract, she can be reimbursed for. Now, I wouldn't suggest that the daughter get paid as much as the professional caregivers do. That's not a good idea. So we use a lesser amount in our care contracts.
And there's a lot of moving parts to this, so please don't, get a piece of yellow paper and write it out yourself. Get with an elder law attorney and get this done correctly, because there's a lot at stake. I mean, it's over a period of time. It's a lot of money that mom may pay, daughter or son or granddaughter or whoever to provide care. And it's important that this be done correctly. So get with somebody and get this done. I think that's all we have time for today. Thank you for the question. We really appreciate it. Keep those questions coming in, and we hope you have a great week.
And thank you for being a caregiver for your loved one. You're making a huge difference in their life.
If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, and click on that little notification bell to be notified the next time we do a video.
And if you want to interact with us, check out the description below and leave us a comment and let us know what legal or caregiver topics you'd like to hear about.